Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open up there and see what's done. Here we have this travel coffee mug. It's a pack of 2. Holds cold water or wet beverages for 9 hours. Hot beverages for 6 hours. EPH free. The swivel lid, non-slip bottom, easy to hold. Seal cup lids, no leaks. Straw straight drinking. That's what I like. You can do both. Stainless steel and beautifully curved. And here's all the contact info. Alright, so let's open up. Since they're the same, I'm just gonna take one out. Comes with a cleaner here. Some straw. Alright, so what it looks like. As you see, it has a rubber bottom here. It says do not microwave, hand wash only. Pop up for drinking with a straw. Lock it. And you can flip it here. Straight up. Side. There's straw here. Here's the inside. So you can have both options using a straw, or you can sip it straight from. Also releases the pressure here. Alright. If you're interested in this set, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you'll help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.